What if I told you that your higher self already exists? That the version of you who is living with clarity, purpose, and fulfillment is waiting for you to align? The secret isn't about becoming someone else. It's about remembering who you already are. Imagine waking up every day with a sense of peace and purpose, feeling connected to your true self and the world around you. Welcome to Wise Intuition. We're glad you're here. Let's embark on this transformative journey together. Aligning with your highest self is not about chasing something outside of you. It's about recognizing the power within and understanding that you are the creator of your reality. Every thought, emotion, and action you take shapes your world. When you align with your higher self, you tap into infinite potential and wisdom, guiding you effortlessly through life. This alignment is about raising your frequency, tuning into your intuition, and becoming aware of the subtle energies that influence your existence. As you grow more aware, you'll see how your inner state reflects in your outer world. This heightened awareness helps you make choices that are in harmony with your true self, leading to a more fulfilling and purposeful life. The ultimate goal is to step into a flow state where life responds effortlessly. In this state, you are in sync with the universe, and everything you need comes to you with ease. Obstacles become opportunities, and challenges are seen as lessons for growth. Remember, alignment is not a destination but a continuous process of self-discovery and evolution. As you embark on this journey, be patient and compassionate with yourself. Growth takes time, and every step you take, no matter how small, is a victory. Celebrate your progress and trust that you are exactly where you need to be. The universe is always conspiring in your favor, and by aligning with your higher self, you open the door to endless possibilities. Your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs create a unique vibrational frequency. Instead of resisting this energy, tune into it and embrace the journey. Trust the process and unlock your higher self. Take a moment to reflect on what alignment means to you. What does your higher self look like? How do they think, feel, and act? Visualize this version of yourself and hold on to that image as you move forward. Let it inspire and motivate you to make choices that align with your true essence. Remember, you have the power to create the life you desire. As Neville Goddard said, assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled. Your imagination is the bridge to your highest self. When you vividly see, feel, and believe in your desired reality, you begin to align with it energetically. This is the key to manifestation. Let's begin this journey together step by step and unlock the life you were meant to live. Now let's take a moment to embody this energy together. Close your eyes if you'd like. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Feel the power within you, the connection to your highest self. Let's affirm this truth together. Repeat after me. I am the creator of my reality. I align with my highest self effortlessly. I trust the journey and embrace the process. I am worthy of the life I desire. I am in sync with the universe, and all I need flows to me with ease. Feel these words resonating within you. Visualize yourself stepping into your highest self, living the life you've always dreamed of. You are powerful. You are limitless. Let's continue this journey together. Each day, ask, what is one thing I can do today that aligns me with my highest self? It could be as simple as journaling, meditating, visualizing, or taking a bold step forward. Are you ready to step into your highest timeline? What's one thing you're going to shift today? If this video resonated with you, Let me know in the comments. And if you're ready for deeper transformation, subscribe for more insights on manifestation, timelines, and personal growth. See you soon.